Welcome to Compare Core, your go-to spot for honest product breakdowns and no BS comparisons. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best gaming PCs of 2025. And trust me, you do not want to drop your hard-earned cash before seeing what these beasts can actually do. From budget-friendly rigs to high-end FPS monsters, I've tested them, stressed them, and now I'm ranking them. So grab your snacks, sit back, and let's see which gaming PC is actually worth your money this year. Let's get into it. All right, coming in at number 1, the Corsair One i500. This thing is an absolute beast in a tiny, designer-friendly package. It rocks an Intel i9-14900K and RTX 4090, all packed into a small form case that legit looks like a high-end speaker. It's got full liquid cooling for both the CPU and GPU. And while, yeah, it's pricey, you're paying for top-tier performance and style. Not for tinkerers. This is a buy-it-and-flex-it kind of PC. Pure elite vibes. Next up, number 2, the Acer Predator Orion 7000. This thing is an absolute unit. It's got a slick design with bold ARGB lighting, and under the hood, it's built for 4K domination. We're talking maxed out graphics, ray tracing on, and still pulling insane frame rates, like 256 frames per second in Final Fantasy VII Remake at 4K Ultra. Yeah, the fans get loud, but they keep things chill inside. Easy to upgrade, great cable management, and a case that actually looks as premium as it performs. Just pure power and style in one box. Coming in at number 3, we've got the Alienware Aurora R16. And wow, Dell really cleaned things up here. Gone is the wild spaceship vibe, and in its place is a sleek, more modern look with that signature RGB ring. But don't let the cleaner design fool you. This beast crushed titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Dirt 5 in QHD, and even held its own in 4K with DLSS 3. Plus, the compact case still keeps things cool and quiet. It's a powerful, stylish reboot that really hits the mark. At number 4, meet the Asus ROG G22CH, the compact beast that proves big performance can come in small packages. Taking the torch from the old Intel NUC line, this little machine is perfect if you're tight on space but still want serious power. It crushed 1080p gaming and held strong in 1440p during our tests. The starting price is super accessible, though the base model's specs are a bit dated. And yeah, it's not really made for upgrades. Plus, the fans get a little loud under heavy load. But if you want a sleek, ready-to-go gaming rig that won't crowd your desk, this one's a killer pick. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Chillblast Evolution. And let me tell you, this beast is built for hardcore gamers who love pushing every setting to ultra without turning their room into a sauna. Packed with an RTX 4070 Ti and built inside Corsair's airflow-optimized 3000D or 4000D cases, depending on your tower size preference, this rig is engineered for both performance and cooling. It features a Cooler Master Liquid AIO, keeping the CPU ice cold, and 3 front intake fans pushing cool air across your components. And yep, there's space in the back for an extra exhaust fan, which I highly recommend if you want to squeeze out every bit of airflow. In real-world use, it handled Territory A titles at high frame rates, with zero thermal throttling and minimal noise. It's sleek, cool, and crazy efficient. If you're looking for a future-proof setup that doesn't melt under pressure, the Chillblast Evolution is definitely worth a serious look. All right, legends, that wraps up our countdown of the best gaming PCs of 2025. Whether you're looking for a compact beast like the ROG G22CH A sleek powerhouse like the Alienware Aurora R16, or that airflow monster Chillblast Evolution. There's something in this list for every type of gamer out there. Now, if this video helped you out or gave you something to think about, drop a like. It really supports the channel. Leave a comment and let me know which PC you're eyeing, or if you think another rig deserves a spot on this list. I read every single one of your comments. Seriously. And hey, if you're into honest tech breakdowns, side-by-side comparisons, and no BS recommendations, this is the channel for you. So hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join the Compare Core crew. Thanks for hanging out. Stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.